folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the hell ever you are. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I know it's not a Monday. Usually I'm streaming on a Monday, but there were some issues with Cam Hawkins with his StreamYard, and so I couldn't stream yesterday. But I am able to stream today, and hopefully you guys welcome me with open arms today. Looks like GBP USD fell out of the sky. But anyways, you know how we start the drill. We explain what we're doing, why I'm here, and what the strategy is. So you guys know why I'm here. It's just to try and pass this challenge, right? But the strategy is this. It's very simple. It's not something that it's a very unique strategy. And it's from it's taught by a guy that TradingNut, Cam Hawkins, he knows personally. And he can vouch for him. And he's spent several decades working within large banks within their dealing desks. And he knows exactly how they function. And so there's a lot of credibility behind this strategy. But anyways, I'm going to simplify it down for you. And I'm going to give you the Discord as well. We have a free Discord where everybody, there's no premium. You join, you can trade with us live. We trade live every single day, and we usually have a full audience in the live stages. And if you want to join that, join us right now on the Discord right there. We have plenty of people showing plenty of support and having a lot of fun with the strategy. Now, what is the strategy? Number 1, we focus on 4 things. Number 1 is we focus on bear candles only. So if you look at my chart, the only lines that are available... Hold on, let's see. The only lines that you can see on my chart are on bear candles because we only focus on bear candles. Second of all, it is we focus on candle changes, meaning that if, for example, on a bearish line to appear, it has to be a bear candle after a bull. And then obviously, if anything closes above that line, it'll disappear. For a bullish line to appear, it has to be a bear candle that comes before a bull candle or a series of bull candles, okay? Which takes the body high. Third, step number 3 is we need an attempt to rebalance. Now, attempt to rebalance is basically when you get one of these lines, you need a bull, for example, a bearish line. Let me just look for an example for you so it's a lot easier. Actually, I'll show you a trade that I took yesterday. Took quite a few yesterday, just a few. It was quite ragey in the morning, but as you can tell. But actually, no, that's not really a good example. This one's a good example. Okay. So you can see we've had this blue line here. That means it's a bullish line. We had a black candle. And then what does that mean? This is an attempt to rebalance. So this candle, this black candle over here, attempted to rebalance with this by trying to close below. Obviously, it did not close below. Even if it wicked, we do not care about wicks. We only want it to close. If the candle does not close below, that shows that the market shows a willingness to continue. So when it shows a willingness to continue, then we move on to step number 4, which is body break entry. Well, actually, wait. I took the entry all the way over here. What am I saying? So we had this bear candle over here. Although this would be an entry as well. We had a bear candle over here. Okay. We had this bull candle, which made this a bullish line because this candle took the body high of the bear. Then we had a black candle. This black candle attempted to rebalance, as in it tried to close below this line. It did not close below the line. although the Black Panther did print. So then we took the buy at the break of that, and we made a solid 19 pips. Okay, so that's really what the strategy is. It's or vice versa for the sells. Now, like I said, if you want to learn the strategy for free, you want to speak to Cameron and ask him all your questions about how it's like working in a bank, feel free to join us in the Discord right there. I will be speaking to the people in the Discord at the same time. So if you want to be able to join us in the Discord, you'll be able to hear exactly what we're saying and everything that we're talking about. I will be speaking to them as well, and I will let you know if I do have any trade setups. There should be a trade setup. There always is every single day. But yeah. Everything all right? Did I miss anything? Ah, right. So no, are these beginner pairs? So what these are okay. The reason why I trade the pairs like these, okay, and I'll be completely honest with you. So we've got AUD USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD at the top, right? And then we've got USD CHF, USD CAD, and then USD JPY at the bottom. Reason being is because these move opposite to each other. So the Aussie moves opposite to the USD. Sorry, no, I've got this the wrong way around. Hold on. It's because when you press the auto arrange function, it just messes it up. But yeah, so we've got the Aussie, Euro, GU. Okay, the Aussie moves opposite to the CAD. The Euro moves opposite to the Swiss, and the pound and the yen, they're the weakest link. But for the pound, I look at the Euro and the Aussie to see if they're continuing in the same direction. But that's usually why it's like this. We trade USD pairs. Every pair in the forex market um, is derivative of the US dollar. For example, the AUD JPY. The AUD JPY is taking the value of AUD USD and multiplying it by the value of USD JPY. That's how you get AUD JPY because it's from the US dollar. Everything is derivative of the US dollar. And therefore, we trade the US dollar pairs because it's close to the price action, it's raw, it's as close to the action as you can possibly get. But anyways, let's get to trading. I don't want to miss any setups. So I'm going to be speaking to the guys on the Discord. And if you want to know what we're saying on the Discord, join us in the Discord. I really, really would love to see you there because, like I say, it's free. And I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun. We've got a really thriving community over here. But yeah, what's going on? Yeah, do see around. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, of course. I mean, I don't see anything about. Yeah, I don't know about you. UJ just hit the high of the day and just spiked. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, you're right. He's tech support for Microsoft, of course. He is. No problem, Tony. If like I said, if any of you guys have any questions, feel free to throw them in comments. I will answer them as best as I can, as quickly as possible. But I am speaking to the guys on Discord as well. We have a live stage and a live audience over there too. And if you want to join them, like say, join us, and you'll be able to hear what everybody's saying. There's a wealth of knowledge shared every single day, and I would definitely recommend you join us. It's free, like I say. The strategy is free. It's all on YouTube. And if you want a one-on-one with Cameron, the guy who's worked for about 25 years within banks, you can also book a one-on-one with him for free. Just give the strategy a try for 2 weeks, and if you have any struggles, any questions, any concerns, you're free to book a one-on-one with Cameron. So if I do see anything of that sounds a little bit out of place, or like, it sounds like I'm talking to nobody, it's because I'm talking to the people on Discord. Hopefully that makes sense. I will be explaining every set that I take, but yeah, looking forward to see you guys on Discord. Sorry about that. Who, me? Oh. So you guys can see, man, we're in a bit of a little range here, so I'm just going to wait for a bit of volume to come in. It may be the case that we end up taking trades in London. So if it is boring, just talk to me, send me some messages, send me some comments, concerns, or questions or whatever, and we'll have a chat and, alleviate the boredom. What did everybody get up to over the weekend and everything? How was your Monday? How was your trading week? I can see somebody made 62R last week. That's awesome. Just joined Discord. I'm glad you joined the Discord, man. I'm loving to see you. Public holiday over here. How's that going? No work. Enjoying a day off. And good morning, Teaser Effects. Let's see. Just a casual, relaxed day. Yeah, you love one of them, don't you? Love a casual, relaxed day. We all need one every now and then. My weekend. Oh man, I've been prescribed codeine by my doctor because I motocross sometimes. Like just casually. My friend has a what is it, 100, I think it's 150cc Husqvarna, and I took it for a little spin, and I hurt my shoulder, and for the pain, the doctors gave me codeine. So it was like the weekend didn't even exist because I was on codeine. I don't know what happened, but I had to take the codeine, and like it felt like the weekend was just gone by flash. Like I genuinely don't even remember what happened. You know what I mean? But thankfully, I'm off it now. I would not recommend anybody to trade on codeine. That fucks you up real bad. But yeah, let's see if there are any setups on the Discord and what everybody's saying. Not much going on in terms of the IG. So sometimes not sometimes, but I look at the the stock market screen to see how the stock, because the global markets are interlinked, right? And generally, when you see the indices moving down, you want to see dollar strength. So the dollar should be continuing up. I might take the yen buys right there, and there we go. I took the yen buys. Let's see how that goes. And just because I'm expecting US dollar strength based off of the stock markets, so I'm going to take the yen. I might just take 5 pips just because it's the first trade of the day, but this will be my trade. Just because we broke out and the pound is moving down very, very strongly as well. Like I said, the pound and the yen are the weakest correlation as well. A lot of the time, at least for the past few weeks, the yen has just been doing its own thing. But I have no problem taking this because I can see that the Swissy is moving up a little bit, the CAD is moving up a little bit, and the Aussie is moving down too. So I'm expecting the buys on the yen. So for the guys on YouTube, the reason why I entered the UJ longs, okay, so let me explain the strategy. We have a bear candle, okay, and that's number one. Number one is bear candle. We move up, okay, and we move above the body high of the bear. That's why this bullish line is drawn here, because we moved by consecutive blue candles, right? Then we have a black candle. This black candle does not rebalance with this black candle over here, this bear candle there. What does that mean? That means we have a willingness to continue up. So when it breaks the body break entry, we take the buys. Okay? So that's why I took it. So I'm going to be closing out soon. There we go. Made 4 pips on that. Yep. I can see it. I can see it. I would have held my UJ for a little bit longer, however, I just got out because we were in a bit of a range on the euro. And the euro is the one that's generally sort of like the pivotal point for a lot of the pairs. So, but I got out with my 4 pips. I wanted to get out 5, but when I clicked the close, I was at like 4.2 or 4.5. But then, you know, the delay got me a little bit and I got out at 4.2. But it was a very, very good trade, and this was a textbook example of what a good trade is. Okay, and hopefully you what is my percentage? Negative, positive? I'm only down about $30 on this account. I'm only down about $30, so I'm almost break even. Yeah, I closed the UJ. I had a win on the UJ. I bought UJ and I took a win on that. Sorry, PT. Yeah, I did. Yeah, it failed to rebalance. So I got 4 pips. Unfortunately, I got out really early. I got out with like 4.2 because when I right clicked and closed because of the annoying MetaTrader 4, I closed a bit early. So yeah. Oh, hey Tony, I recognize her from the YouTube. Mm. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh man, I wish I held DJ now. What do you guys think of UCAD? Or GU as well? Oh, yep, you're right. Actually, yeah, the London fix is right now. What? The UCAD? Oh, well then, you know what that means. Yep. Yep. So if this sets up on the UCAD, I'll take it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, true. So for the new guys, the people I'm talking to, other people on Discord. I know there are new people joining. I can see there are a few people. I've taken one trade today. It was a positive trade on the USD JPY. So I'm just going to use that to explain the strategy. Remember, there's 4 things. We only focus on bear candles, and Well, actually, but just bear. I'll just bring it up. Just bear with me. So we focus on bear candles only. We focus on candle changes. We focus on attempt to rebalance, well, failure to rebalance, and then we need a body break entry. So we've got a candle here. This is our origin. Okay, so this is our bear candle. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two, we have a candle change, meaning that we have these consecutive bull candles, which takes the body high. If there was a bear candle somewhere here, this line wouldn't exist because then we'd restart the process from the bear candle. Okay, so we've got the bear candle, we've got the candle change, and then we have the attempt to rebalance. So this candle over here attempted to rebalance with this, as in it attempted to close below here. It did not close below there. Even if there's wick or whatever, the wicks don't matter. But the fact of the matter is, it did not close below. That shows a willingness to continue. Okay. So then step number 4 is body break entry. So for at the high of this body, we take the buy, and boom, that would be our trade. I am looking at some USD CAD trades as well, seeing if that sets up. So the market is risk off right now. So if I look at the stock markets, I can see that a lot of the stock markets are tanking, meaning that investors are not taking risks and they are getting their money back in the US dollar. So that's why we should be seeing US dollar strength. I will be buying USD CAD now if it breaks this high over here. I'll be buying the break of this candle if that sets up. Yeah, I'm about to take that if it breaks. I'm just wary of, we're before London, so we might have a retrace of some kind, but US dollar strength is coming in nicely. Everything else is moving in this direction, so why not? Fuck it. Yep. What's the Aussie doing? Yeah, the Aussie moving down really, really quickly as well. It's good. Right. I'm in CAD. Yep. Boom. Back in a second. So the reason why I entered this, what am I indicator? I'll explain my indicator in just a second, but I'm going to explain this setup. So I'm on the USD CAD buys. We've had a bear candle. We had a bull candle, which took the body high of the bear, meaning that we've got a bullish line. This bullish line has appeared. We've had an attempt at a rebalance. It failed to rebalance with this because this black candle did not close below the blue line, and therefore we broke above and we have our entry. My indicator, by the way, is called Prop Sense. So that is this. It comes with the daily target panel over here, and it comes with all the lines. It draws the lines for you. If you want it, it's officially on MQL5, and you can get the MT5 version as well. We just released the MT5 version, and I will be updating the features from the MT5 version onto the MT4 version as well. But if you want the MT4 version is here. I don't really need to sell you the indicator. I don't want to, but if you are good with the strategy, you know why the lines exist, then you're completely free to get it. It just draws the lines for you. I'm really lazy and I don't really want to miss trade, so I don't like to have to draw them myself. And this is the MQ5 version. But this was awesome, mate. I'm glad you're having fun there. All right, let's go. I'm still. Are you in? Is anybody else in? Awesome. All right. All right. Yep. As soon as it gets to fix, I'm getting the hell out. Yeah, it really might not. I'm getting the hell out. I got out. I got out. Had me worried there. Yeah. Oh, there we go, Bryce. Man, fuck you, man. Fuck you, UCAD, you piece of shit. What the hell, dude? Oh, man. CAD would have given me a solid 5 pips, bro. Shit. Yeah. But the Aussie was moving down, though, wasn't it? Hmm. Hey, healthcare. How you doing? You all right? Host full done? Nah. What do you mean? I'm not sure I understand what you mean. So if you repeat what you said, I'll be able to maybe get what you're saying. I was in this UCAD trade. Unfortunately, though, the guys on Discord, they were like, "Oh, it's going against you, so you should probably get out." I shouldn't have listened, but this UCAD trade was a perfect trade as well. Bear candle, failure to rebalance, body break entry, buy it, hit the line, in and out, boom, good trade. There is a setup on the euro if you want it, Mr. PT. I don't know if I want to take the euro though. This is a few legs up, so this is 1, 2, 3 legs up. I probably will not take that. But when the UJ goes, it does go. It does go. I'll be completely honest with you. But because of the timings, we're just before London. Usually, you see some retraces. I'm not going to take that. No, sure. Euro struggling to break this this low. If the euro breaks well closes below this line here, I may take it because it is a good setup. It's just it's been bouncing off of this book over here, and I don't really want to. I don't really want to sell into a rejection and then for it to just fly up. Plus, like I said, I am very, very wary that it is before London. So, I don't want to. Okay, there you go. It is moving now. It is definitely moving now. Will I be able to get my 5 pips out of that? I'm not sure. As if it breaks through the Asian session, then perhaps, just like the other pairs, it probably will. I do like the USD CHF though. I really do like that. Here we go. Well, I just took the euro because I see some weakness in that. Hopefully, it continues and doesn't reject and take me all the way out. Let's see. Am I still in USD CAD? No, I got out. I got out. Hey, come on, man! Don't be saying stuff like that. I'm a loser. I quit trading. I don't know if I'll. Hey, chill. Join us in the Discord. You'll do well. Trust me. Promise you. I didn't get the best entry on the euro. I should have waited. My bad. But it is what it is. Man, well done, bro. Look on the 1 minute, see what that's saying. The issue with my Euro trade is I was supposed to get in here. So that's 2 pips away. And usually I'm looking for 5 pips per trade. So this may not work out, but because of the momentum and because of how the pound has broken out really strongly, the Aussie is moving out really strongly, I'm expecting the Euro to continue as well. So that's why I'm in the Euro. Just following the market sentiment. The US dollar is very, very strong today. The USD JPY did give another trade. Unfortunately, I did not take that, but it is what it is. Man, sorry I'm quiet today, guys. I mean, I've just had a really bender of a weekend. Even as per, you're still bound to get influenced by this to make a difference. Is my hard math to conquer. Yeah. So no, this strategy isn't a swing trading strategy. Reason being is because the function, the purpose of bankers is to transfer money across the market as quickly as possible. And that's the guy who teaches the strategy. He's a man who's spent decades working for banks. Cam Hawkins can verify this as well. He knows him personally. The guy who TradingNut. And that's why this strategy is on the 5-minute time frame. Generally, I mean, it'd be better to do it on the 1 minute, but because of the price feeds and the price feeds being crap with most brokers, and prop firms, you're not really able to trade it on the 1 minute. But the 5-minute is the most ideal time frame for it. So we got to be careful, guys. Before the London Open, generally you see some retracements. That's why the euro is moving up at the minute. I may get stopped out, to be honest, but I will hold the trade just because I feel like technically it was a valid setup. I don't want to get out too early like I did with my buys on my USD card that everybody was telling me to get out of, even though it was a good trade for me. But there you go. We'll see. It's so easy to make mistakes in trading. That's the only thing. Very easy to make mistakes on it. Very easy. And listening to people you really shouldn't be listening to, or at least you should be listening to them, but in certain situations it's best not to, and just to follow your own guidance.
Actually, just looking at it, S&P and the US and the NASDAQ are actually US down. Look at that. Oh, here's the thing. Actually, I was going to say something. Oh, it's just a bunch of forgetting about that. Sometimes you gotta catch yourself. Stop talking out fast.
Are you in it? Nice. Nice. Did you get your challenge account? When are you going to be live streaming? We should just take every day of the week, you know, me Monday, you Tuesday, me Wednesday. Just own the live streams. Yeah. Yeah. Are you up 1% already or something? What the hell? 0.5%. Nice. I'm about $30 down, I think. So. Yeah. I'm not worried, man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm regretting CAD, but you know, it is what it is. Can't be. For sure. Right, so the euro may give Eve another entry for people who want to get in. Never know. We'll see. How do you take sell trades with this strategy? What do you call this strategy? Well, I mean, there's not really a name for it. We don't really care about names, but it's just called. Well, our team is called Prop Sense, you know. And our Discord server, if you want to join us, we trade live every single day in the London session together. You can join us on the Discord there. How do you take a sell? So, for example, we focus on 4 things: bear candles only, candle change, failure to rebalance, body break entry. So, what do we have here? We have a bear candle, we have a bull candle that attempted to rebalance, and then we had a body break entry there. I should have entered here. I would have been able to take my profit, but I didn't because I'm stupid. I entered quite late at the break. I shouldn't have done that, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm in the trade and I made that decision. If I lose it, I lose it. It don't matter. Short and quiet, guys. I'm listening to the guys on Discord as well at the same time, and I'm watching the stock markets to see if the sentiment has changed. That's all. Hey, what's up, Diggs? Hey, Jules. Hope you're all doing well, taking care of yourself. I will explain the strategy for anybody who's new as well in just a second. I am in a Euro trade. This Euro trade, I did get in late. I regret it. And my USD, my biggest annoying thing today was the USD CAD. I got in here. It was a perfect entry, but everybody was saying, "Oh, the other markets are moving against you, so you should get out." And I got out, unfortunately, at 1 pip instead of the 5 that I had originally wanted. And on the euro, I should have got in a lot higher over here, but I did not get in because I was waiting for it to break this level down here. And then once it broke, it moved really, really far, and I got in at the bottom of the candle instead of a bit higher. So that was my fault. So I would have hit take profit by now. It's a little bit annoying, but like I say, we are in profit for the day. Even if I lose this trade, I'm not really that bothered. It's only a little bit, you know what I mean? So fuck it. Is there any news today? Yeah, not right. There's nothing right now at all. I don't think. Wait. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Are you in Swiss? I'm in the euro. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, here's the deal, Cam. Give me $1 million and I'll trade. I'll trade with Go Markets. I took 5 pips off the euro. So for the no, let me just mute myself here. Sorry for the guys on the YouTube. So the reason why I took the euro trade. No, I don't trade SMC. I will explain the strategy in just a second. Okay, but there we go. For a simple strategy, this one has a lot of discretion. So in terms of discretion, the only thing that really has discretion, okay, and this is a fairly annoying topic. And when you go to SMC and stuff like this, and this is my experience for SMC, when I went to SMC and when I studied it for a long time, I found that a lot of the gurus and the furus, the fake gurus, the idiots, I didn't like any of them. They all they'll teach you a strategy, but then they'll tell you, oh well, look, I do this in this case or this in this case, and I didn't really understand it at the time. It just really annoyed me. But the strategy for this is just literally the strategy. You can do this and you can make money, and you don't have to look at anything else. The only thing that is taught as well as the strategy is having the ability to look at all these other pairs that I've got here and seeing if everything's moving in your direction. That's not really, a ton of discretion. I mean, yeah, it is discretionary, but at the same time, you've got to be able to use your intuition and understand that, if the US dollar is tanking and, for example, I don't know, the USD CHF is, absolutely flying right now, but you get a buy set up on the euro, then you're going to be a little bit apprehensive. So sure, there is a bit of discretion, but that's just a bit of common sense at this point. The strategy itself is really, really simple. So that's for you, Jorge. Anyways, for the best pairs today should be AU. Yeah, they've been good. Do I trade SMC? No. Anyways, let me explain the euro trade to you and why I got in on the euro. So I really, like I said, I should have gone here, but I was a little bit apprehensive just because we had this line over here, and I was just like, okay, we're bouncing off of it. If it keeps going up, and there's a fix below as well, which if you join our Discord, you'll find out. But anyways, there's a bear candle here. So remember, 4 things. Number 1, bear candles only. Number 2, bear candle changes. Number 3, failure to rebalance. And number 4, body break entry. So what do we have? We have a bear candle. We have a candle change because it's a bear candle that comes after a bull. So therefore, this line is drawn. We have a failure to rebalance, meaning that this bull candle attempted to break above here, but it didn't. And yes, there was a wick, but again, wicks don't matter. It did not close above; it closed below. So that means that it has a willingness to continue down. And then we move on to step 4, which is the body break entry. And we would have entered here, but I entered there and I took my 5 pips, and that was that. And then there was another entry, a second entry over here: bear candle, bull candle, line, failure to rebalance, bull candle, body break entry. Boom, there's your entry. So today we're up 10 pips, up $134. So we're doing not too bad. All right, let's go back to Discord. Do we see anything at the minute? Have I missed anything? Just got back from the YouTube. Have you taken anything else, Peter? I'm up $64 now. I had 5 pips on the euro. I think he'll buy you a little bit more than that. Just a little bit. Maybe some chicken nuggets along with it. Let's have a look at the FTSE. Yeah. There was an Aussie trade if anyone took that. It's a bit too late for me to enter now. Yeah, completely right. See if any setups present themselves this time. Let's go.
And also put in how long you've been on the front. Now, if you've been here like 3 days and you're struggling, 3 days struggling, and you've been here longer, the time back is a real progression that never seems to go through. So I find it fascinating.
Swissy was a good trade.
First day in, fair enough. Mr. Betts, 3 4 weeks in. Mr. Tips, the last engineer robot on the internet, is a genius. Check it out. 1 week in, literally.
Again, guys, if you want to join the Discord and hear what everybody's saying in the Discord live chat, you can join us here in the link and get yourself verified. And I would love to have you in. There's a wealth of knowledge being shared every single day, and you can see the stock market screener as well live as well. We just boosted the server so we can have 100. Actually, we've boosted it so far that we can have 330 members. We were full before. We had 50 members, and nobody else could join because on Discord, when you don't have a boosted server, they only allow you a max amount of 50 people on the stage, but now it's 330. So if you want to join us, we've got plenty more space now, and fill us up. Join us in the Discord, and you'll be doing well.
That's fine. Ready to become a specialist? That's on 1%, right? Okay.
Nice. 8%. You love the prop sense, Indy. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Just smashing it. Oh, I forgot, like, we're supposed to do a bit of, last week I was supposed to do a bit of, what's it called? Back testing. I completely forgot about it. Self-testing. Yeah, it's like we love it.
Yeah, let's see if it's going to continue down or it's going to continue. Oh, it's going to reverse up, rather. Pound is starting to reverse. Oh, man. So to the guys on YouTube, whoever's listening, speak to me, man. Someone tell me a joke. Someone tell me a good joke. Let's make this entertaining, because honestly, when you're waiting for the setup, shit gets boring as hell, dude. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It gets boring as hell. So if you got any jokes, you got any good stories to tell me, throw them in the chat. I want to hear them. want to alleviate this boredom while I listen to the guys on the Discord as well. And we can have a good chat, you know?
Look, and it's one of those things that people will sit there and spend their weekend backtesting a chart without context of what's going on in the market. That is the easy part of trading. That's what everybody teaches you. You gotta do that. And yeah, it's important. You gotta do a shit ton of it. But the real important part is what we're trying to do here. It's part of a continually seven people's smiles learning. So lots of like cool tape out of people. Lots of breaks, you become a professional. It's that simple. You stop going from a losing trader, you become a winning trader. But you gotta put the effort in, and unfortunately, you gotta be on one of the sessions for Asia, for Europe, for New York, but it's really the key thing between success and trading. And the people that do it, there's a zero chance they're not gonna be a successful trader. That's the fact. But a lot of people won't put the time and effort in, and it'll be a painful journey.
I'm really not sure where Blue Guardian is from. That's a question that you'd have to ask Cam Hawkins, TradingNut. I'm not actually sure. But yeah, we're taking some trades today. We've had 3 for 3. Well, one of them was 1 pip profit. I should have taken 5 pips, but unfortunately I couldn't because, well, yeah. See if there's any more trades that appear right now. Quite like the pound. So the reason why I took the pound is because we had a bear candle. We had an attempt to rebalance, failed. I got in there. Let's see how that works out. Probably not a good trade because we are multiple legs in. So it's not the best. And the pip range is actually quite high. I might get out of break even, to be honest, but we'll see how it goes. Based off of everything else, it is wanting to move down. I may get out a little bit early just because... Actually, let's see. The euro is moving down. The Aussie is moving down. Let me just have a look at the DXY real quick. Yeah, the DXY is moving up as well, so we should be okay.
So there's one big value in there. If you're up at that list of money, you're not going to develop that shit habits. So that's why kind of a weapon, but I also like that. Well, people sit down for 50 bucks a pound for the cars. And I do that, that's ingrained in that system. If you had to put 5 grand on the table every time you do it, there's no way you're doing the crazy stuff that people do. Yeah.
Yeah. So this trade on the GU may not be the best. It may hit stop loss actually. It is a few legs in. The only reason why I took it is because we have momentum on all the other pairs as well. So, but I'm willing to accept that risk. I'm happy with it if it does work out or if it doesn't. But knowing my luck. No, that was at London Open. I called it, but it was yeah, it was a good trade. Well, this pound is boring me. I may get out of break even. Don't like the way that it's moving at all. Sort of broke below the low and then it stalled. So we'll see how it goes. I did take lower risk on my old trades, and the pip range on the GU is a lot higher, so the risk is a lot higher. But it is what it is. Not that bothered. Like I say, just following the technical entries. Although my entries have been a bit late today, especially on the euro. The euro was just such a late trade, but even though that won, it just was not the best entry at all. And same with the GU. GU, I would have ideally liked to get in around here, or even over here. Here was a good trade too, but fortunately, I did not get in there either. But there you go. It happens. Seems like the direction is turning. The DXY is turning around as well. So this may be a loss on the pound. Hey, buddy, if you want to learn the strategy, like say, and see all the YouTube videos, there aren't that many, so it won't take up much of your time. You can have a look at our Discord there. Just join the Discord, go to the Start Here section, and you'll be able to find us fairly quickly, fairly easily. All right. Chloroform. Hmm. Yeah, I don't trust. I don't trust GU at the minute. If it does come back to break even, I get out. If not, it's whatever. Just because I can see the DXY moving the way that it is, it's turning around a little bit, and the FTSE is moving up as well. Hmm. There you get again, Peter. Oh yeah, you're right. So I'm having a look at the stock markets at the minute. The DXY is moving to the downside and the FTSE is moving up. So there is a very slight chance that the pound, not a very slight chance, but a strong chance now that the pound will turn around and hit my stop, and that's okay. No worries. We will be taking some more setups. There's plenty of time in the session, so I'm sure there will be some other setups for us to take. Actually, there is a setup on the yen right here, so maybe able to take that too. There we go. There's a nice sell setup right there. Might be able to take that. I'm happy to take that anyway. Generally, my loss is like is about 1%. So if I'm down 1% for the day, I'll be getting out. You know what I mean? I'll be leaving it for the day. I wouldn't be pushing it too much.
I'm not. Like, too bad we don't have cars because we would have been. You know what? Occasionally we got laddies coming here, and I wonder why we don't get the fight for trying laddies. Starting to understand why. Jeez.
Yeah. Tina must not be having fun.
No, we have a lot. A lot of laddies. Full of the front, but they don't put the back and swing to it. But that's paying me right now.
Yeah, because Cameron's the hot guy.
Yeah. That's because we would want to come up with a bunch of weird ass dudes like you ever.
Yeah, I know weirdo. I barely talk, bro. What the hell? I'm nice to people.
You're a king daddy of weird ass, huh?
Yeah, come on, man. I'm a good guy, I promise.
Welcome to the you guy. I'm not good.
Yeah, UJ is a bit sideways at the minute. Let's have a look at this. Yeah. Based on the 1 minute, it's not that good. I wouldn't be surprised. Mhm.
Anybody who wants to have a win because I like that's a win because I'm not against the crowd.
I'm extremely tired. So I'm in UJ sells and I'm in GU sells. I may get out of UJ at break even just because I don't really like the price action recently on the 1 minute. It looks like it's just ranging, to be honest. It does not look like it's going to continue down, at least for me. When I want a trade, genuinely want it to move fairly quickly. So I'm just going to get out now and call it that. There you go. Just for that one. And I'm going to hold my GU because I do like GU. Based off of I think we had a pullback on the dollar. And if that pullback is done, the rest of the stock markets are moving down. So I would be still hoping for the pound to drop. Yeah, I'm in a GU trade. And besides that, I'm doing all right. I mean, if I lose this GU trade, though, I'll be. I think that'll take my profits for the day. But I won't be in a loss anyway, so I'll be all right. It's fairly slow. Yeah, I bet you'll be having second thoughts from now on. Where's your entry? My entry is right at the low. Well, not right at the low, but just above the low. Like 21708. 21696. Oh yeah, that's about where I entered as well. Yeah, cool. I'm with you, brother. I'm with you. Just gonna wait it out. Yeah, the Swissy rejecting that book is very, very good news for us. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, look at Cat, bro. It just keeps on giving, eh? It breaks my heart, man. Someone get me some Xanax immediately. All right, pound is going. Well, it's not going, but it's at entry right now. Yeah. Keep going up, you piece of. For real. Yeah. Ugh. Pound rejecting off of it again. But since the Swissy is doing its thing, I'll hold it. The euro is moving in the same direction, aren't they? For the guys on YouTube, when I entered the UJ, shouldn't have got out early, but it would have been a 5-pip trade. That was my bad. Fear gets a hold of you, man. Fear really does get a hold of you. I should really just go balls to the wall and just take all the fucking setups, you know what I mean, instead of being a cunt. What happened? What'd they say?
I'm going to share my knowledge with the program to investors. Just as Peter was talking about having sex with his wife.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's worth it for her. It's that was more the fact that his poor old mother on there. So, no, just let us turn into this. That's what happened. That's what happened. Yeah.
Gee, you really just range it right now. Nah. Fair enough, mate. Fair enough. Anyone wanted to take the Swiss cells? Seemed like the pullback happened in London rather than before. Mm-hmm. It's a wounded gazelle. Yeah, let's move it down a little bit. What, is Peter getting in on the Swissy or something? For the sell? Ah, buys. Because I was just going to say, setting up sells. I did take a shot, but I got out at 1 pip like an idiot. No, it's because I take all the good setups and then I just get out because of fear, you know what I mean? But then I'm fucking holding GU and it's being a piece of shit. Swissy is giving a setup for herself for Peter, but I know you want to buy, don't you? So. For those of you who want to join the Discord and hear everything that we're saying, there's a lot of comedy going on at the minute. We've got an audience of about 50 people within the Discord right now active who are live in our stage. So if you want to join us, here's the link. Might be about to hit stop loss on the GU as well. So I hit my stop loss on the GU. That was a 9 pip stop loss. Wasn't the best, but it is what it is. You know, I'm down $3 for the day. My account is 24,926. But we are in a trade on the USD CHF. I'm confident that this one will come in because the US dollar is weakening, and I will be happy to continue to hold this for a little bit. I like it. Let's see if it works out. Reason why I'm taking this is because we have a bear candle, we have an attempt to rebalance, and then we've got a body break of the rebalance. So there we go. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it is really difficult. With everything. On the contrary, though, this may have been the pullback for London, and now we should continue up for the dollar. We never know, but I was expecting a pullback, like I mentioned before in pre-London. There's generally a pullback before a continuation when it comes to the sort of like half an hour before London, or that's generally when it happens. But apparently, it may have happened in London right now. So, if this is the pullback, then we may see the US dollar continue up, and we'll see the pound and the euro and AU continue on its move down. We'll see. Ideally, though, I would like to see the dollar continue down, just because I am in a US dollar CHF sell, so I'd like to see that work out. Hopefully, anyway. We may actually see a buy on the pound as well, if that works out.
Yeah, I'm just talking about relative overall strength of seven and because it is, I'm not convinced it's, sorry, same and looks like a grouping of fundamental structure. So I wouldn't need to take the shots.
Yeah, I'm wanting to take longs on that. Yeah, I took a 9 pip loss on that. I took out my profits for the day. I'm in Swiss sells though, so just doing what I normally do. We may see a long on the pound, so we've got a bear candle, bull, attempt to rebalance, fail to rebalance, and if we break above, we may get an entry for a long. Pound took me out and fell. Damn. Nothing that I see at the minute besides as being annoying. Stock markets are a bit mixed as well at the minute, which is why we're seeing a little bit of retracements and but like I say, this could have been the pullback. Generally, the pullback happens in Frankfurt. That's why I was expecting it to pull back in Frankfurt, but apparently the London has caused this pullback, and now the continuation is probably about to happen on the pound, etc. But we'll see. The trade that I'm in right now is the US dollar Swissy sells. I shouldn't have held my pound that long. I should have held my winners a lot longer than my losses, and that would have been all right. But that was my fault for today. That's okay. I'm in Swiss. I'm break even for the day. Yeah, CAD flying again. Are you in it? Yep. Says, where's Monday? Well, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm still in Swissie. Yeah, so the book at around well, just before the big bullish candle. 91314. Yep, exactly. Are you in that as well, or? All right. Yeah, there was a book, wasn't there? Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Don't worry about it. Better than blowing accounts left, right, and center. Yeah. Yen is just dying. Buys in euro, are you taking it? Yeah. Yeah. I'm in the euro buys as well. Swissy dying. Bang! Got out the book right there. 5 pips. 5 pips on the USD CHF. Peter's girlfriend. Made back something after that awful performance on GU.
Yeah, that's probably because of the weather. Um, the strong of weather is that kind of stuff. Can't remember the exact weather.
Right. Come on, Euro. Give me something. Pepe, you still in? Yeah. It's all right. Yeah, we'll wait for close and then we can decide whether or not we can get out. Yeah. Three minutes. Come on, Euro. Show me something. There we go. Yo, let's go. I just want to see the Euro move. We get the hell out. I just show it less. Do my best. It's all right. Yeah, he sort of does his own thing. Ooh, Euro came really close to my stop. Really close. Right. All right. Keep going. Guys on YouTube, tell me some stories, man. I'm so bored, bro. I'm telling you the truth. I hate waiting for trades, man. Tell me some stories. Tell me some stories from the weekend, or I don't know. You guys got drunk or had some fun or something. Tell me something, man. I'll leave you at the bottom. I'm bored as hell. Sometimes you need to lighten the mood a little bit when you're trading. You know what I mean? Right, I'm holding the euro. This would be my last trade of the day. Go on, Euro. Go on, Euro. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, man. I'm still in at the minute, but I'm up 3.9 pips. I'm just going to hold it until... I'm going to hold it. I'm moved to break even. If it moves a little bit further and closes it out. Yep, there we go. There we go. Can I get my 5 pips? Yes. Don't be a dick for a tick. Get the hell out. Listen to Cameron, because he's the main man. Boom, I'm out. Fuck that shit. Fuck all of you. Stupid pairs. Right. I'm done for the day, bro. I'm done for the day. Right, I'm gonna say goodbye to the guys on YouTube, and I'm gonna go fucking. I've got a driving lesson today, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Take care of yourselves. I love you all. Bye bye. Right, boys, and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the stream has come to an end. I have a driving lesson soon. Got some shit to do. We had a Heritage Week. Let me just talk to you guys for a little bit before I go. And I'll do a little bit of a recap on my trades as well, so that anybody who's joined, I know 47 of you are here. I'll show you. We had a Heritage Weekend in South Africa with lots of barbecues. Okay. Now the markets are frustrating me as hell. Come on, man. Hey, join the Discord. We'll help you out, and you'll take some real good trades. I'm going to tell you the truth. A lot of the new members are having some fun, but hey, next time, if I ever come to South Africa, just make sure you invite me over to a barbecue. I love barbecues. I don't know about you, but I haven't had one for years, dude. So if you ever have another barbecue and you want me invited, invite me, bro. I'll be happily come along. You know what I'm saying? When I'm rich enough to come over there. We love you. Hey, I love you too, man. Trisha, no problem. No problem. You're very, very welcome. By the way, you said please if I have 1,000. Sorry, I did not answer that before. If you have $1,000, obviously the lot size is completely up to you. But what I would recommend is use 0.01, the lowest lot size you can use while you practice, get better at the strategy, and then boom, you can have that done. Okay. Anyways, that's it from me. I'm going to call it a day there. I've had a pretty good stream. I will see you again on Friday. Friday, I think, is when my next stream will be. But who knows? There may be another surprise. I may be on another day. But this was our stream today. I'll show you the trades. So I took, let's start with, did I take anything in the Aussie? No, I did not. I should have, though. Look at this trade. That was a good one. But let's go through the trades that we took. So we had a sell here. Reason being, we had, remember, 4 things: bear candle, candle change, rebalance, and then, failure to rebalance, and then body break entry. So what do we have? We have a bear candle, bull candle, which failed to rebalance, and then we had a break, and then we entered. Obviously, I entered quite late, but I still got my 5 pips. Over here, we have a bear candle. This is a bullish scenario, a bear candle that comes before a bull candle. So there's our candle change. We have a bear candle that fails to close below here. So then we take the body break, and we have a 6 pip trade right there. GU, we had a loss of 9 pips. That was a piece of crap. Aussie, I did not take anything. The US dollar CAD, I took a 1 pip trade. This should have been 5 pips, but oh well, you know, it happens. The USD CHF, I took a really nice 5 pip trade there. That was a really good trade. So we had a bear candle, we had a bull candle which failed to close above. We had a body break entry. We entered 5 pips, and the yen, I had a really good trade to start the day, 5 pips. And then I took a trade over here, which should have been 5 pips as well, but I got out early because I was a bit of a pussy as well. But yeah, that's about it really. So that's all for today. I'm up 15 pips. Again, if you want to join the Discord and take trades like this every day and join us in the server and have our live sessions every single day, join us in the Discord. There you go. Boom, bam, bosh. And I will see you guys later. Take care.